Hello everyone, welcome to the second session on how to create and use Google Forms. In the first session, we saw how we go ahead and create a form and then use that particular link to forward to different people who can then click on that link and enter information. In this video, we will typically look at how do we process or understand the responses that we have received using that particular form. Now once again, when you go to docs.google.com/forms, you would have the form that you created. For example, in this case, we used a form that was normal test and which captured your name and how many 50 ml sanitizer bottle you need and how many 100 ml sanitizer bottle that you need, right? Now to look at the responses, we have received 3 responses. So let's see how do we process this. So first we select the responses and we go there. Now if you look at responses, you would see summary, question and individual. So there are 3 different ways in which you can look at responses. Let's first look at summary. Now the first question, you basically have 3 names: Pandu, Bhola and Ashish. From the sanitizer perspective, how many 50 ml sanitizer bottles? So you have one person who's ordered 2 bottles and 2 people who have ordered 10 bottles each. And from the 100 ml part, you get that you have 20 plus 5 plus 30, so 55 bottles for the 100 ml sanitizer. Now if you go to the question part, then you will get the responses for every question. So for example, names that you have are 3 names. You have Ashish, Bhola and Pandu. And if you look at the second question you would have the quantities 10 and 2, and for the third part you would have quantities 5, 30 and 20. When you go to the third type of response, that's an individual, so this will give you information on every person that has filled up. In our case, there are 3 people who have filled up. So the first information is Ashish. He's ordered 10 bottles of 50 ml, 30 bottles of 100 ml. The second is that of Bola, who has ordered 2 bottles of 50 and 5 bottles of 100. And likewise, the first one is that of Pandu. Now it's pretty easy to see here, but in case if you want to go ahead and get these responses in Excel format, you simply have to click on these 3 dots and you say download responses as .csv. When you do that, all the responses get downloaded in the CSV format. Now let me open this CSV file. So typically to use this file we use MS Excel. However, for some reason I'm not able to open it on my mobile. But if you open that .csv file in your Excel sheet, you will be able to get that same information in the format of an Excel file, and you can go ahead and use that particular Excel file. One additional thing I want to show is once you have done with collecting the responses, you can click this, and once you click this, the links that you have sent will become dormant, so nobody will be able to forward that data. Another way is to basically click on this particular icon here, and I think it will automatically give you an Excel sheet. Let's look at it. Yes, so it's giving you a spreadsheet format. So over here, if you see, you will have the same thing in Excel. So the timestamp when this was entered, how many 50 ml, how many 100 ml, and who asked for it. Yeah, so this is how you can go ahead and use the same thing in Excel to go ahead and calculate the exact amount that you needed. Hope this is helpful for you. If there's anything else you need, please look it up on Google. Thank you very much.